Day 100 of 100 days of speaking God's truth over my life. It's been a crazy ride, a beautiful ride, and God has carried me throughout these 100 days. You do not know the impact it has to speak truth and believe truth over your life. It's been 100 days and all the glory belongs to God. My life is His, and together we say, Amen. Thank you for following the 100 Days of Speaking God's Truth series. I thank God that I have been able to carry you throughout these 100 days. I pray that this will inspire you to do your own devotional and to seek God daily. If you too want to live a life rooted in faith, comment rooted and I will send you a digital gift. So again, speak truth, stay rooted, walk in faith.